It's a new year, so maybe it's time for a new look for your site. We're going to use a design gallery template, but first you need to set up your corporate colours to ensure that you can quickly and easily transfer them to the new site. To do this, go to Manage and then Palette and input the RGB or hex codes for each of your colours in the corporate palette. Pick your template from the design gallery and let's get started. Don't forget to save this as a page so that you don't lose your work. Back on colours. If your page has a background colour, go to Page Settings and update that colour with your new corporate look. Let's also change the fonts to our corporate font. Select it and hit Done. Don't forget to update your font colours for menus or headings like you see me doing here. One thing to remember with colours is to update the mouseover colour for those tiles using them. A quick tip on how to speed this process up. Make the required cosmetic changes to one tile and then click the heart to save it into the tile gallery. Refresh your page and it will appear in the saved tiles. Delete the other old ones and then drag the new saved tiles onto the page as needed. But wait, don't forget that all-important logo. Now you are good to go with tweaking the layout and adding all of your other content. One last thing, once you set your new page live, don't forget to close that feedback loop with your users with LiveTiles Intelligence. Turn on the heat map to track on-page activity or review the Insights panel to make sure that your users are getting the best experience possible.